Intense design. No matter from what angle the Z500 is seen, its distinctive front face and sleek, flowing lines make it clear that this is a member of the Ninja family, with race-inspired, big bike looks. The shape of the full fairing bodywork fosters a sense of unity with the rider, helping him feel at one with the bike. The 2024 Kawasaki Z500 will be available in a metallic spark black and metallic matte Graphenesteel gray colorway. Latest design Z face. The Z500's face is based around a newly designed triple headlight unit, enveloped by a sharp front cowl to give it an intense look. High-grade full-color TFT display. The Z500 SHA features a high-grade full-color display with TFT, thin-film transistor technology. The 2024 Kawasaki Z500 are both powered by liquid-cooled, dual overhead cam 8-valve, 451cc parallel twin, 45 horsepower at 9,000 revolutions per minute, and torque 42.6 Nm. Both the 2024 Kawasaki Z500 use a steel trellis frame design. Suspension consists of a 41mm non-adjustable telescopic front fork and a rear shock setup with preload adjustability. Brakes are a 2-piston caliper and single semi-floating disc up front and a 2-piston caliper and single disc setup in the rear. Both bikes roll on 17-inch alloy wheels. The new Z500 has a sharp, aggressive style and retains the large volume design of other bikes in the Z series to create an aggressive, agile, street-oriented look. Its muscular, athletic bodywork reflects its performance while forming a flowing design that appears to float above the engine. Like other models in the Z series, Sugami design elements, crouching stance, low-positioned head and upswept tail give it a silhouette instantly recognizable as a Kawasaki Supernate.